Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. A slightly different video this time. I wanted to share my journey of using a teleprompter for uploading content for this channel. I don't think it would have been possible to make videos without the use of this teleprompter, so I wanted to share this journey so that it helps anyone that's having the same issue like I did. And don't worry, I'll be uploading my regular content pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Without wasting any more time, let's just get into this video. I'm going to share exactly what I did to get better at speaking in front of a camera. And yeah, this involves getting a teleprompter, but it might be a perfect solution for anyone who's struggling to speak in front of a camera. Teleprompters are used by TV anchors, big YouTubers, and even the president. So why not use it yourself for making YouTube videos? So this year, one of the goals I set was to get in front of the camera. And I found this to be a huge challenge. In front of the camera, I could not form my sentences and I would constantly forget lines when speaking in front of the camera. On the contrary, when I'm doing voiceovers, I'm speaking my mind. There's no script and I'm just recording whatever's coming to my mind. Sometimes creating videos on your own can be a daunting task because you have to remember what you have to say. Retakes and constant mistakes can make your editing process longer and the footage that you recorded would not be right. And you realize you forgot to say certain key points. So a good solution is having a teleprompter in front of you. But before spending any kind of money, I first went the free route. Basically, I tried using what I already had. I made a DIY teleprompter by just placing my laptop right next to the camera. And here's what that looked like. As you can tell, my eyes were not looking into the camera. It kind of felt odd making the videos. In order to connect with your audience and viewers, you need to make good eye contact. This will make your viewers feel as if you're having a conversation with them. But if you're looking for a free solution, then by all means use it. Making and uploading videos is better than making no videos at all. So I finally decided enough is enough and I decided to buy a teleprompter. I got the Neewer X12 teleprompter. This is all aluminum design and feels quite premium. Setting it up is quite easy and simple, and it also comes with a remote. By the way, this is not sponsored or anything, I'm just sharing my journey. Feel free to get any kind of teleprompter that works for you, but I'll link this one down in the description below so you can check it out. Here are the things that you'll need to fully set up the teleprompter. The very first thing you need is a tripod. I suggest you pick one from Amazon Basics as it's quite cheap and it works great. Next, you'll need a camera. If you don't have a camera, that's fine. You can just use your phone. Just buy the separate mounts so that you can attach your phone to the Amazon Basic tripod. Last thing you'll need is a tablet or a phone. It's better if you have a tablet, but phone works fine as well. Now that we have it all, we are ready to set this up. Also note, if you're using your phone as a camera, then you'll need two phones. On your tablet or your phone, we need to download the app. The app that I'm currently using is called InMay Teleprompter, and it works great. Once you're done downloading it, you can paste your script in and you're ready to go. Using the remote makes it easy to control the teleprompter. I can basically use it like a mouse to scroll through text. I can even speed it up or slow down. If needed, I can stop the scroll altogether. Overall, there's no issue using the remote or the app. So did getting a teleprompter solve my issues? Well, the short answer is yeah, it did. And here's why. Before using the teleprompter, I would get nervous speaking on the camera. I hated the idea of being recorded, and as a result, I would act up or freeze. I would even forget what I had to say. I literally spent hours behind the camera, going through take after take, attempting to record just a minute of usable video, but I would always mess something up. So overall, I was spending a lot of time and not making useful content. But like with everything in life, there are some cons of getting a teleprompter. But don't worry, with every con, I do have an alternate solution. This teleprompter costs north of $200 and it's a big investment. Luckily, I got it during the Black Friday sale, which cost me around $130. But I'm sure you can find cheaper teleprompters that do just as good of a job as this one. Before you even buy the teleprompter, you might want to check out the free DIY teleprompter hack that I told you about. You'll get a feel of what to expect before putting down any money and getting one. The second con is that I have to write a script. It takes a good chunk of my time to write a good script. I have to add emotions and make it sound as if I'm speaking naturally. Kind of like right now, I'm reading the script, but I'm trying to make it sound as natural as possible. But you don't have to write it line for line. You could just use the teleprompter for highlighting or putting your key bullet points. But I would argue, why would you need a teleprompter for that? You could just use a $20 dry erase board and write your points right behind the camera. The third con is that you might be missing emotions and sometimes you might sound robotic. Usually I can spot this during editing my videos. Sometimes sometimes I can see I'm just reading my script as my eyes are not looking into the camera, yet they're concentrating on reading from the teleprompter. To fix this, I would just say use the human effect, look around, read the lines, use your hands as gestures. Now let's discuss the positives. So after installing the teleprompter, it became really easy to record in front of a camera. This is because when using the teleprompter, your camera is hiding behind inside a box, and the only thing that you see is the running script right in front of you. So the camera anxiety goes away. The good part about this teleprompter is that I can control the text speed. I can even stop the scroll altogether if needed. So this simplifies my process. Sometimes I do need to stop to read the text. Now I notice that I don't have to give too many takes or retakes. Now it takes me 10 to 15 minutes to record a 10-minute video. The overall process has become a lot smoother and I end up with a lot of useful films. The very last thing I want to share is tips for getting better at speaking using a teleprompter. So after you have a teleprompter, it's all supposed to be rainbows and unicorns, right? Well, not exactly. Even after getting a teleprompter, you might experience some issues, like you're talking too fast, or you're not looking at camera, looking here and there, or just you're feeling awkward. To stop talking too fast, you need to take a deep breath and relax. Even before you start recording, just come and sit down and take a minute or two to absorb everything. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Next tip is that you look directly into the camera. Sometimes I noticed that I was concentrating on reading the text and not making eye contact on the camera. To overcome this, I suggest that you read your script 1 to 2 times before you start recording. This will help you remember the lines, and also during recording, you can read your lines ahead of time. Doing this will allow you to focus on your expressions and your gestures using your hands and your eyes. Last thing I would recommend is just be human and add emotion to things. While recording, think as if you're telling a story to your best friend. This will help eliminate any awkwardness and result in delivering a natural speech. Just remember, a good video is the one that can deliver the point across in a clear and precise way. Oh, you watched till the end? That's surprising. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Also, let me know how you like this video, how you like the setup, the sound, in the comments below. Your feedback is greatly appreciated and that would help me improve this channel. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one.